This Healthy Living Tip is brought to you by the Christ Hospital Health Network.
I think that the importance of medical research is primarily to gain new knowledge and using that new knowledge to improve the treatment and care of our patients. This is a premium put on a focused, well-organized, and highly productive research center where we have at any one time somewhere between 100 and 120 active clinical trials covering a whole host of cardiovascular and sometimes other research studies. We have the most robust clinical research center, certainly in the Midwest. And we feel very proud of this. I think we have a lot of components to this research center, tireless research nurses, a very organized compliance piece to this, which, as you know, in today's world is very, very important. And then an enthusiastic cohort of physicians who really have embraced the concept of enrolling patients or encouraging patients to participate in these clinical trials. Well, I think it elevates the community. I think it elevates the hospital. It certainly adds a dimension of satisfaction to physicians who generally, as a primary focus, want to do the very best for their patients. And I think having the ability to have novel, new medications or technologies available to patients is truly amazing. All trials have specific inclusion and exclusion criteria, meaning you have to have not only the disease, but usually some associated features that make you eligible as part of a clinical trial. I have to say that participating in clinical research is a critical piece of who I am, and what I want to be, which is really to help gain new knowledge through very focused, protocol-driven, many times guideline-compliant clinical trials. I think in that way we elevate the quality of care to our patients. We are able to monitor patients much more closely. And for those that don't know this, being part of a clinical trial, even when you are randomized to the so-called placebo arm, meaning you don't really get the active treatment, which is often the early stages of either drug or device development, you nevertheless benefit because you are carefully monitored in a very controlled way. And so I think clinical research is a win-win. You have a good team effort, and that's what it takes. It's not a single physician or a group of physicians. This is a true team effort. And I have to say that the Christ Hospital puts a premium on this, supports this enthusiastically, and I think we're very proud to be part of that.
To find out if a clinical trial is right for you, call the Lindner Research Center at 585-1777 or visit us on the web at lindnerresearch.com.